For nearly a century, engineers kept asking the same question: how do we make metal pipe last longer? Then someone asked a completely different question. What if the pipe wasn't made of metal at all? That question changed underground infrastructure forever. By the middle of the 20th century, cities had stronger pipe than ever before. Cast iron, ductile iron, both transform water systems, but they still shared one enemy: corrosion. No matter how strong the pipe was, the ground was always working against it. Coatings helped, linings helped, protective systems helped, but corrosion never completely disappeared. So engineers stopped trying to improve metal and started looking beyond it. That search led to PVC, polyvinyl chloride. At first, the idea sounded almost backwards. For generations, heavier meant stronger. Plastic didn't seem like the obvious future for underground infrastructure. But PVC approached the problem differently. It didn't rust. It didn't develop the same internal buildup found in older iron mains. It was lightweight, easy to transport, easy to install, and by the 1970s, utilities across North America were beginning to embrace it. Not because it was stronger than iron, but because it solved a different problem. PVC also changed the economics of building water systems. Its smooth interior helped move water efficiently. Its lighter weight reduced transportation and installation effort. And as manufacturing continued improving, PVC became one of the most widely installed water pipe materials in the world. For many communities, it represented an entirely new way of thinking. But just like every material we've talked about, PVC wasn't perfect. Temperature matters. Installation matters. Proper bedding and backfill matter. And while PVC is flexible compared to some older materials, it behaves very differently than iron underground. Every solution creates new design considerations. That's simply part of engineering. And maybe that's the biggest lesson. PVC didn't replace iron because iron failed. It replaced iron in many applications because engineers finally stopped asking, how do we build better metal pipe? And started asking, is metal even the right answer? That's how innovation happens. Not by making the old idea slightly better, but by challenging the idea itself. Today, millions of feet of PVC pipe are installed every year. Most people never see it. Most people never think about it. But beneath our neighborhoods, businesses, and city streets, it's quietly carrying water every single day. Every generation believes they've found the answer. Wood, cast iron, ductile iron, PVC, each solved problems the previous generation couldn't. But every new material also teaches us something new. And while PVC was beginning to reshape the future, another material was already being installed in thousands of communities. One that solved many of the same problems, but would eventually become one of the most misunderstood materials in underground infrastructure: asbestos cement. And that's where we go next. Welcome back to Under Pressure, Underground.